This United Real Estate Infinity Property video is presented by Kurt Honig. Wow! 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 This Super II Floorplan, extra wide unit, features gorgeous appointments and attention to detail. The association boasts new roofs. All units will have impact glass windows and sliding glass doors, assessment already paid, fresh exterior paint jobs and carport. Sip your coffee whilst enjoying the morning daybreak across the long, multi-acre lake. Yes, you can catch a release from the lake, or sip your favorite cocktail as the sun slowly sets in southwest Florida and you enjoy the views of Mother Nature and gorgeous landscape. Tastefully upgraded and ready for new owners. The association boasts 2 heated pool areas, 2 clubhouses, shuffleboard with covered player areas, lighted har-tru tennis courts, main clubhouse with dance floor, in-ground spa tub, community gas grills and gazebo areas, resident library and business area in main clubhouse, and some of the finest people you will ever meet in your lifetime, all waiting to welcome you home to Deauville.